Hello and welcome back to Pating Reviews. Today I'll be reviewing the Odyssey Black Widow Custom Gaming PC. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out the exact same pre-built gaming PC and get it at a fantastic price, make sure to check out the links below this video. So today I'm excited to talk about the Odyssey Black Widow Custom Gaming PC. If you're a gamer, then you know the importance of having a powerful and reliable computer that can handle all of your gaming needs. And that's exactly what this pre-built gaming PC is designed to do. First off, let's talk about the specs. This computer is powered by an Intel Core i5 processor, which means it can handle even the most demanding games. It also comes with 16 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD, so you'll have plenty of storage space and lightning fast load times. But what really sets this gaming PC apart are the graphics. It features an Nvidia Geforce GTX 1650 and 4 gigabytes of GDDR6 VRAM, which delivers stunning visuals and smooth gameplay, and a 1 HDMI and 1 DisplayPort and 1 DVI-D dual link ports. You can easily connect to your favorite displays. Another thing that gamers will love about this PC is the connectivity. It has 6 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, and an RJ45 network Ethernet port, so you can connect all of your peripherals and accessories. Plus, it even comes with a gaming keyboard and mouse, so you'll have everything you need to get started. But that's not all. This gaming PC also features some special extras that are sure to impress. It has a tempered glass side case panel, which looks sleek and stylish, and it even has RGB LED fans that you can control with a built-in fan controller. And with Wi-Fi included, you won't have to worry about messy cables or slow internet speeds. Overall, I think the Odyssey Black Widow Custom Gaming PC is an excellent choice for anyone who loves gaming. It's powerful, reliable, and comes with all the features you need to take your gaming experience to the next level. So if you're in the market for a new gaming PC, I highly recommend giving this one a try. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and liking and commenting if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget that the links to the product mentioned in this video are below this video to get it the best possible price.